Good evening. We're here in the shopping mall. This is called Kaida Tianfu. This is a really big shopping mall here in Chengdu, and we're gonna go have dinner with some of our good friends Seth and Stephanie tonight. We're going on this big long escalator all the way up to the top floor. This is a really big mall. We used to come here all the time, but we live pretty far away, so it's been a while since we've been here. Going all the way up to the top, and they got a lot of stuff up there. Got an ice skating rink here. They're playing Beauty and the Beast music. A lot of little kids skating. We've been skating here before. A lot of restaurants around here. Busy tonight. It's a holiday. A lot of people are out with their families, enjoying the holiday, having some food together. We're looking for a place to eat. Gotta find a good restaurant that's not too crowded. We got this restaurant, pickled fish. This restaurant, healthy beef. And there's a rhino and a giraffe. This place is awesome.
倒点水下去就煮了，很好吃，很卫生，很正宗的火锅。
As you cook the hot pot, it'll melt. This restaurant has Transformers. So cool. Transformers restaurant. This restaurant is quite famous, and they actually have a couple in the US, and it costs $200 to go there to get this authentic Chinese hot pot. This is Stephanie here.
Hello.
There's Jenny. There's Seth. Hey,
牛
some
肉
beef.
蛋炒饭。
Dan chao fan. Fried rice.
海带苗还是海带？
Some rice cake. Some rice
海
cakes.
带苗要。
Transformers all over the place. I found my name in this restaurant. A little bit of salt, a little bit of sesame seeds, cilantro. That's the good stuff.
It's a gamma sauce.
Okay, get a little gamma sauce. Oyster sauce. Green onions, chives. Little vinegar. This sauce looks really good. Jenny and Stephanie have made some really great sauce. Quail eggs.
We like it.
Is tomato sauce? It looks like it.
Yeah.
Put some in this
No,
way.
this one's very spicy. This one's tomato,
Sweet and sour.
sweet and sour.
So I strongly recommend this. This is the rice cake.
Oh,
called
that looks
Sichuan.
really good. We're taking out some beef here.
It's a big piece of beef.
Does that look finished? Ooh, very spicy. I'm gonna put it in my sauce. Bon appetit. Happy birthday to you. It's someone's birthday. Happy birthday to that random person. They just brought us some cake because I sang happy birthday. That's so awesome. Happy birthday. This cake is delicious. Just get off at the next stop. What stop? So funny.
I told you it happens a lot.
Yeah. Okay. See you. You were too slow. You should have got on. That's so funny. Seth and Stephanie. He ran on really quick and the doors closed, so he left her. Anyway, on the subway right now. Oh, going home. Had a good night. See you next time.